Rising sea levels have already caused the people of the Carteret Islands.
Umweltforscher der Universität Bremen konnten mitsagen.
Koncentrationen af CO2 i atmosfæren er i gennemsnit.
According to a chief scientist for climate change programs at the Climate Institute, a Washington think tank is often presented as a problem.
In its 4.6 billion years, our planet Earth has developed an incredible diversity of well-functioning natural cycles. Now, it's faced with an uncertain future. In a very short time, we human beings have changed its natural ecosystems through use of the Earth's natural assets at an ever faster rate. In only the last 30 years, we've become 3 billion more people on this planet. Our greenhouse gas emissions have increased by 70%. We see a growing number of animal species threatened with extinction, and our climate has become more extreme. In certain regions, prolonged dry weather has forced people from their homes. In mining towns, inhabitants have been poisoned by heavy metals. It's perhaps only when we look at our planet from a distance that we understand the limits of the Earth's natural resources, and that we must change our behavior, becoming part of the Earth's natural cycles, instead of interfering with them.
Well, the environment issues have been important to Scania during many years, and after the first oil crisis we had in the middle of the 70s, we started an active program here in Scania to take care of the heat waste, to regenerate it, take it back for heating factories, offices, also in the production processes, in the turning operations, to take care of the iron chips coming there and to melt it down again in our foundries, and also the lubricants, to reuse the lubricants in our production operation. So it's nothing new. But we have said so, it's a responsibility for us to the society we are living in, but also for all people working in the company, and also the customers, so they know that they have good products, but also manufactured in a good way.
It is very important for Scania to have competitive products that meet the demands of legislation and of our customers. Our ambition is to be one step ahead of implementing and understanding future legal demands and the demands from the market. I am very proud of how Scania is actively addressing the environmental challenges. We do that by using our deep knowledge of the usage of our products and their environmental impact in a life cycle perspective. From research and development, purchasing, production, the usage in the transport activities, the services, and of course the recycling process.
To have a sustainable operation is important to Scania. It means that we focus on having a safe working environment, working preventive with healthcare, and also to minimize our environmental impact. The strength with Scania's environmental work is that it's well integrated in our daily operations. Factors like quality, elimination of waste, and efficient use of material is well rooted in our core values. During the last 15 years, we have been able to reduce the use of energy with 40% per produced vehicle. We have been successful in identifying areas of improvement where we have been reducing the waste to a minimum. Our work with continuous improvement has made Scania come a long way in reducing the environmental impacts from our operations, but also from our products. But the work with continuous improvement never ends.
Scania's brand is defined very much by the ability to live up to the expectations we have from different stakeholders. It's also about how we look, how we communicate, but also how we act. And here the environmental questions have gained in importance. Due to our strong brand, we are faced with high expectations. The focus on the environmental issues has increased during the years, which is a possibility, but it is also a challenge. The environmental and climate question is one of the biggest and toughest challenges we are facing. The strength with Scania is that the environmental work is fully integrated in the daily operations. That means Scania is transparent, which is very good for the brand.
Vi återvinner allting. Allting går tillbaka och sen är det en kaka som slängs bara. Så vi får tillbaka tinner där i våra boxar.
Vi sorterar ju allt material. Vi har wellpapp, kartonger, mjukplast, brännbart. Så allt vi använder under dagen, det sorterar vi.
At Scania, we work purposefully with environmental issues and climate-related problems. This means working to improve our products, processes and services, now and over the long term, in order to decrease the negative impact on human health and the environment. This is done by working proactively to prevent dangerous byproducts and emissions. It's important we have a life cycle perspective in our daily environmental work, and that we follow the precautionary principle. Only by gaining knowledge throughout the company and taking responsibility can we together create a company we can be proud of, and one which can stand the test of time.
The environmental challenges in general and the climate impact in particular are the biggest challenges in the transport sector. This is our big challenge, but also our great business opportunity.
Reducing waste of resources and minimizing environmental impact is a part of Scania's business. It's important to us, but most of all, it's important to our customers.
We are all contributing to Scania's success. Let us also on the environmental area raise the bar, come with new and own initiatives and challenge ourselves a little bit more every day. Keep up the good work.